I could lose my heart tonight if you don't turn and walk away. 'Cause the way I feel, I might lose control and let you stay.
'Cause I could take you in my arms and never let go.
I could fall in love with you, baby. I could fall in love with you, baby.
I can only wonder how touching you would make me feel.
But if I take that chance right now,
Tomorrow, will you want me still? So why should I keep this to myself and never let you know?
I could fall in love with you, baby. I could fall in love with you, baby.
And I know it's not right, and I guess I should try to do what I should do, but I could fall in love with you.
I could fall in love with you.
I could fall in love with you. Every little thing you do got me thinking about a future I could share with you. Heart beating like a rhythm when you come in the room. Girl, you shine so bright, you outglow the moon. If I tell you how I feel, would it scare you away, or would you hold me a little closer? Tell me you understand, 'cause every moment that I'm near you, everything feels true.